In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a fallback image for your Feedzy RSS plugin. So if you are facing a situation where some of your posts that you pull from your aggregated website come without images, then let me show you how you can just set your own images that can be used in place of an empty featured image. So on these websites, I have several aggregated content that I normally pull, and the problem is some of the content come without featured image. Now to set your own, all you need to do is to come to Feedzy here and then choose the settings option. Here it is. Now from here you can see we have an option to set a fallback image for imported posts, and this is under general. So you're told here select an image to be the fallback featured image for your post. So if you go ahead and choose a specific image, then that image will always be used for imported posts if an image is not available from the source. So I'll go ahead and choose, and I have it on my computer, so I'll upload the image here, and here's the image. Then I can just write fallback image, and then once you're done, go ahead and tap on set default image, and then scroll down, then tap on this save settings, and then that is done. Your settings have been saved. So each time this aggregator or this RSS plugin tries to pull an article and misses an image, then this image will be used in its place, and by doing so, none of your articles will miss a featured image. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.